Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the target frame concept in HTML. What is target frame concept? So for that, here as you can see that we have two different frames, right? Frame 1 and frame 2. And we know that how to create different frames. So this is something like which is very helpful to you when you actually design and when you actually develop the website. So see, here we have a home page and here we have a menu. So your menu will be displayed over here, so you can write this way. So if you notice that when I'm hovering the mouse over service or a contact us, it is changing its a cursor style, right? It means it's link, and we have already studied about the ahref link. So you can give the link to this. But now what I want to do, I want to open some particular page when I click on this service. So let's click on service. What happens? Let's check. So when I click on services, okay, it is opening some data or it is opening some page over here and it is written your content will be displayed here, right? So I'm actually opening some new file in this frame. So this is called a target frame or a target path or target destination where you actually want to open your page. And when I click on the contact us, see, it is opening a new tab. It is opening some file. Your contact details will be displayed here. So it is opening in a new page. Means what? That in certain cases, if you want to open your pages in the current tab, you can open it, and suppose you want to open in a new tab, also you can do that thing. So how to do that, or how to choose the target frame, or how to open the pages, that we will see in this today's lecture. So first you need to understand the concept that when you create this type of dynamic site or a linking, like here everything is linked with each other, right? This page, everything is linked with each other. So when you create this type of a website, you normally, what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. So here you have different web pages, like this is my home. Let's refresh it. Okay, so this is your one page, right? This is your home page. So this is my home. Then when I click on the services, so this frame contains some data like home, service, contact. It is another page which I am actually opening in the first frame, right? First frame contains this content. So this is my another page. When I click on these services, it is opening another page. So this is my main page, then this page and this page, total 3 pages. And when I click on the contact us, it is opening another page. Means I can say that this website contains 4 different web pages, right? So let's see how to do this thing. So here we have our home page. Okay, let me show you the see. If you see that this website contains 4 different pages, right? One is my home page. Then we have a menu frame, that is left frame. Then we have a service and contact. Means you need to create all the pages first, and then we will link all the pages, right? We will give the link all the pages. So first we have the home page. So let's see what is written in the home page. So this is your home page. As you have noticed that this home page contains 2 frames, right? 2 frames. This web page is divided into 2 frames. So this is my home page. See, HTML is fine. Then we have a title tag. Now I want to divide my page in 2 frames, right? 2 columns. Okay, and to divide the page in the frames, we use frame set, and I want to divide it into columns. So 15% and 85%. So 2 columns I got 15% and 85%, right? Okay, after that you can use another attributes, like here I have given frame spacing 50, that you can change it and you can use another attributes as well, because our main focus is on the linking. So this is the first frame, that is my left frame, right? So what we do, we use frame tag. Now src is an attribute that what you want to open or what you want to display in this frame. So I want to display my menu. I want to display my menu. So I have one page, that is HTML page menu frame.html, that I want to open, and I have simply given the name to this frame1, for the future reference or for the understanding. So this is my frame1, and in frame1 I am opening menu.frame.html. Let's see how does it work. Or let's remove this. Let's remove this. I'm just removing this, right? And I'm saving it, and now let's see what happens. See, this is a blank page, right? This is a blank page, but I want to display something in the left side frame. So what we can do, what I want to open, I want to open menu.frame page, menu.frame html, and I have that page which I have already created. So want to see what is written over there? So right click and open in the, just open it in the notepad. So see, this is your menu_frame page, and in this frame page, what is there? Body bg color is pink. It's simple tags I have used, and we have already discussed all this, and we already know all these things, right? Then the simple one text message is there, and then we have used the unordered list. In the list, first is my home, then second is the services. See, this is services, and the last one we have the contact, right? So first we are just simply displaying it. So let me write it over here. Okay, let me save it, and let's run the code again. See, so in the left frame we got this page, right? We open this page over here. Now what next we want to do? The next is menu frame. So in home menu I don't want to do anything. For the home list I don't want to do anything, but for the services I want to do something. What I want to do, when I click on the services, I want to open some new page, right? When I click on this, I want to open some new page. Okay, so HA is a tag, anchor tag, and in the reference I want to link this text, right? And I want to open this file. I want to open service_frame.html, but I want to open this, but where I want to open? So my target is frame2. I want to open this services_frame.html file in frame2, and we know that this is my frame2, right? If you remember, here we have given the name to the second frame. This is my frame2, its name is frame2, and this is the reason that we give the name to the frames. So when we link or when we give the link, in that case we can use that as a target. So I want to open it in the frame2. You can also divide your web page in multiple frames, and you can try by your own by giving the different names. So I want to do this. Okay, let me write. Okay, let me change the font size so you can see. I have three lists, right? Three list items I have. Home I have, then I have services, and then I have contact us, right? But I want to make them hyperlink, so I used ahref. Ahref converts your normal text into the hyperlink. But what I want to open, so I want to open services frame.html file, and when I click on the contact us, I want to open contact frame.html file, which already I have created. See, I have contact frame and services frame. But where you want to open, so this services frame.html I want to open in frame 2. So this is my frame 2. So when I click on services, it opens this file. So now I want to check what you have written in the services. So let's open the services page. Open with Notepad. And see, here we have simply given body color, bg color, sky blue, and we have written 1. Also let me write over here services underscore frame.html, right? So I want to open this file. I have just written just to show you that it will change the content. Okay, when I click on the services, see, services frame html, anything, whatever you will write in this page, it will displayed in this frame, right? So this is about the services. And the last we have the contact us. So when I click on the contact us, it opens the some page in some page, but in a new tab. So what is that? Okay, let's go to the menu frame and see. Here we have, now we know the concept that to make the context us text link or a hyperlink, we use ahref. What you want to open? I want to open contact frame.html. But where you want to open? So I want to open in a new tab, and for the new tab we have value underscore blank. Underscore blank is a value we write in the target attribute to open the linked page in a new tab, right? So when I write this, we open this in the new page, right? So this is the concept of website. Website contains multiple pages. The number of pages you have, first you need to create all the pages, and after that link all the pages with the hyperlink or an anchor tag. So this is about the how to open pages in frame or to the target area. So you can try by your own, you can create, you can design your simple website using all these features. So it's all about the frames, how to open the frames and target.